Hey everybody, my name is Chappo. My parents say that I'm the greatest fur baby that this world's ever brought into it. Well anyway, welcome to my parents' place. It's a great condo. It's got 2 beds, 1.5 baths, 1,100 square feet of open layout. It's completely renovated with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a washer and a dryer that's in the unit, and my mom's really proud of the tile backsplash. My dad also loves the butcher block bar top. Downtown Rochester is an incredible place for pets. Such a pet-friendly community, and that's something that I really appreciate, just as much as when my dad throws me the ball in the park. But after running around, I gotta take a dip in the river. Feels great. My parents and I absolutely love downtown Rochester. It's a great place to walk, and it's also so close to so many different trails. We also love going to the library, but most importantly, it's full of great shopping and also great restaurants. Really makes for a great night out or a nice afternoon stroll. It's a beautiful place to have a family as well. Well, we always like ending the day at our favorite neighborhood coffee shop. My dad loves cheesecake, but nobody loves cheesecake as much as I love cheesecake. Ugh, come on, Dad, hurry up and give me a bite.
I'm just trying to keep my